Today I will explain the trigonometrical chapter, trigonometric identities. The first identity is the sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. మనం ఇక్కడ టేక్ LHS తీసుకొని RHS ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. దీన్ని ఏ విధంగా ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాము అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఒక రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అనేది మనం తీసుకున్నాం. This is the right angle triangle. That triangle name is ABC. This place is the angle B is the right angle. This one is the theta, and theta opposite is this one is the opposite, and this one is the adjacent, and this one is the hypotenuse. Right angle opposite is always hypotenuse. Okay, is it clear? Then first by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Two sides square sum equal to hypotenuse square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Two sides square is equal, two sides square sum equal to hypotenuse square. Then one side is the AB square. One side is the AB. That means AB square. And plus another side is the BC. BC square. The two sides square sum equal to, that sum in plus is equal to hypotenuse square means AC square. This is the equation number 1. Okay, this is equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. Then sine value. What is the sine? Sine theta is equal opposite by hypotenuse. What is the opposite? Opposite is BC. Opposite is BC by hypotenuse is AC. And what is cos? Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? Adjacent is the AB by AC. Then that LHS is sin square theta plus cos square theta. LHS is there, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta means BC by AC whole square. BC by AC whole square. Plus cos square theta means AB by AC whole square. AB by AC whole square. Then this implies ఇక్కడ BC by AC whole square means BC square by AC square అవుతుంది. BC square by AC square plus AB square by AC square. ఓకేనా? ఎట్లా? A by B whole square is equal A square by B square. That's why BC by AC whole square is equal to BC square by AC square, and AB by AC whole square is equal to AB square by AC square. And then this implies ఆ స్టెప్ నుంచి మనకు నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏమొస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ LCM ఏమవుతుంది? AC square. LCM is the same AC square. AC square వచ్చింది కాబట్టి AC square into 1 is equal to AC square. That's why BC square on this place. And plus means plus AC square ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి AC square LCM కాబట్టి AC square into 1 is equal to AC square కాబట్టి AB square plus this one is the AB square. Then this implies BC square plus AB square is equal to BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ సిన్స్ అని మనం రాసేసుకోవచ్చు. అదేంటి? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Then AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AC square by denominator lo unnadi AC square AC square. AC square is get cancel. The answer is 1. 1 is the RHS. Then LHS is equal to RHS. That's mean therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the first identity. Okay, is it clear? Read it out. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం తీసుకున్నాం by Pythagoras sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the first identity. Then by Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Two sides square sum equal to hypotenuse square. That one side is AB square plus the other side is BC square is equal to hypotenuse square is the mean AC square. What is sine opposite by hypotenuse mean BC by AC? What is cot? Cot is the adjacent by hypotenuse mean AB by AC. Then LHS is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is sin BC by AC? That means square means square. What is cos AB by AC? Square means square. Then BC square by AC square plus AB square by AC square. Next step, LCM is the AC square. Then BC square plus AB square. BC square plus AB square. BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. Then 1 implies. 1 implies BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. Therefore, AC square divided by AC square is cancel 1. 1 is the RHS. I will take LHS. That answer is the RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. That's why sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Is it clear? Thus, I will go to the second identity.